Hey guys, we got a wedge model, a fiberglass top. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks. Also work, its measurements are close enough that it'll work also on the 94 to 01 Dodge trucks with a 6.5 foot short bed. It's white in color. It's a nice unit. It's not bad. It's been repainted, but it's decent shape. It's got the bay window in the back here. Does have the sliding window in the front. Like I said, it's been repainted. It doesn't have a whole lot of damage. A couple paint chips there. Really doesn't have a lot of damage on the paint. Top looks really good. Does have a small chip right there. It's white in color. Bottom edge is really nice shape. It's been repainted. The tags are missing, but I would guess this to be a Century. The build tag inside is mostly there. Looks like an old Century build tag, so I believe it's a Century fiberglass unit. Has a sliding window in the front. Front edge looks pretty decent. Not a lot of damage anywhere. The top looks really good. Don't see any paint damage at all. A little bit of a chip there on the corner. Really, it's pretty decent shape all the way through there. Don't see any damage there. But yeah, the measurements are close enough between a Chevy, 88 to 98 Chevys, and the 94 to 01 Dodges that they'll pretty much interchange on these trucks, but specifically this one was 88 to 98. Has a small chip right there. Really, that's it. Just a few minor chips. One right there, and there's one other one, but that's not really sure what this is. That's another little chip there. Sliding window on this side. Bay window in the back. It's got the single T-handle locking rear door. Oh, it does say Century fiberglass right there. Screen's got a couple holes in them. Pretty good size hole right there. But I mean, they're all pretty much all there, but it just has a couple holes in it. Over here it's got some holes in the screens. Keep most of the bugs out. There's the build tag. There's not much you can really read on that thing anymore. But there it is, wedge model. Fiberglass top. It's 88, 98 Chevy trucks, full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. It's white color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so if you wanted to check it out, see how much it is, see which location it's at. If you want to purchase it online, any of that stuff can be done on that link below. Also, there's a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, tape, clamps, locks, seals, handles, lift kits, truck bed storage solutions, things like that. All this stuff's available online for purchase off our website. Also, as with all our truck caps, we do not ship these. They are local pickup only. So keep that in mind when you want to purchase one of these, that you're going to need to pick it up at one of our store locations. Thanks for watching.